of questions, because since morning, we are talking about the parental iron use as a kind of a magic bullet, it appears, as if it is a magic bullet. So we will try to understand whether this parental iron use can really make a difference in terms of, controlling, reducing, or, making the India free of anemia, and particularly in addressing the challenges of, the moderate and the severe anemia, and particularly during the pregnancy period, and there are variety of parental preparations are available, whether in terms of dextrose or sucrose or FCM. So a lot of discussion took place. So in this particular session, we are going to ask specific questions to the experts, which will help us in taking this agenda of parental iron as one of the important intervention under the Anemia Mukt Bharat program. So with these few words, I stop here and thank you very much. Over to Dr. Arora.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, Gomti, I understand you're going to make a brief a kind of a context building presentation, and then we will go around the panel. Thank you, Gomti.
Thank you, sir. As sir said, I will be making a very brief presentation for context setting before we start the panel discussion. Yeah, so this is about evidence synthesis on parenteral iron use in anemia, the scientific consensus. I'm sure that from morning we have gone through multiple sections, the safety, efficacy, and comparison, and etc. So here, a few slides I would like to quickly recollect a few informations. So this is in pregnancy, parenteral IV iron versus oral iron, and after infusion we can see the table indicates the weighted mean difference 2 to 6 weeks after infusion and then at delivery. And we can see that hemoglobin, the IV iron group is 0.67 gram per deciliter higher in oral IV iron group compared to oral iron group, and even at the delivery it is still higher. And similarly, serum ferritin at 2 to 4 weeks it was 5.95 microgram per deciliter higher in IV iron group, and similarly in delivery also it was higher in IV iron group, and these were a statistically significant difference compared to the oral iron. And these are results of a systematic review and meta-analysis consisting of only RCTs, 20 RCTs, and it was published in 2019. And we also see that at 5 grams higher compared to oral iron group. And additional information, neonatal ferritin result of a points, we can see there is a significant visual representation also from oral iron and delta in the blue higher in the IV iron group compared to oral iron group of the 4th week. And serum ferritin at all available, and it is 18 RCTs were included